Hey everyone, welcome to my channel where we tackle Leetcode challenges together. I've been trying to stay consistent with solving these problems, but it's been a bit of an off and on journey for me, so I thought why not bring you all along for the ride. By sharing my progress, I'll stay accountable and hopefully you'll all learn something new along the way. Whether you're preparing for coding interviews or just love improving your problem solving skills, this channel is for you. Let's grow together as we crack some Leetcode. So let's jump right into it. The plan of this channel is to go through the Leetcode 75 challenges. So today we're gonna start with the very first one, and that is merge strings alternatively. So let's jump into it. So problem is essentially just we're giving two strings and we have to merge them consecutively. So we'll just be taking, for example, if it's ABC PQR, we'll just be taking A then P, B then Q, C then R, so just merging them consecutively. And in the case where, for example, one of the words is longer than the other, so we'll just do AP and then BQ here, and then just append the end of whatever characters that are left. So let's dive right in. I'll be doing these in Python if you'd like to follow me along. But you can do it in any language, it doesn't really matter. It's just Python is easier to read and quick to program as well, and then you could just focus on the logic. So first thing you want to do is check the bound. So if length of word 1 equals 0, meaning if it's empty, then just return word 2, right? And then same thing for the second word. So if length of word 2, so if word 2 is empty, then we'll return word 1. So our first bounds check is complete. So the bulk of the algorithm is going to be here. So we're going to be using an index here, and we'll initially make result empty, and we'll just do a while loop. So while I index is less than the length of word 1 and I is less than the length of word 2, meaning so it'll never go out of bounds. So both of the words, so this algorithm will run, this loop will run while both of the words have that index. So what we want to do in here is just increment our result, right? So result plus equal to word 1 first at I, then we do the same thing for word 2 at that index, and then just increment the index. That's +1, yeah. And then so we know the loop will finish when it has completed either word 1 or word 2, right? So then afterwards we'll just return the result, and this will work for the strings that are of equal lengths, but this doesn't actually work for the strings that are not of equal lengths. For example, this will just be AP BQ, right? So we want to make sure we're appending whatever is remaining. So the way to do that is just another if check. So if I is still less than length of word 1, meaning there's word 1, some characters that are remaining. So what we want to do is just return result, of course, right? Plus whatever is remaining of word 1. And the way to do that is just called string splicing. So it'll just take, it'll return whatever is in result and word 1 from the index I until the end of the word. And then we'll just do the same thing for word 2. So if word 2 there's some characters remaining, then we will return result plus word 2 there. And that should be all. So we'll just submit that. There we go. Accepted. There you have it.